Sean here at Spotlight. It is Thursday, cruising day, June 27th, on the home stretch on Gary's 65 Corvette Stingray. Got a really cool Stingray piece in last night. So I'm really just down to, these are kind of the funky rear panels, Franken panels. Lots of crazy shapes. Pressed speaker grill will go right here. So I'm down to covering these two panels, one panel in the rear, two more other kind of sliver panels, and then we're down to final assembly. So getting very close. Hopefully, we'll say by the end of the day tomorrow. Once again, I thought this car would be done Thursday last week, but here we are. It takes whatever it takes. So we'll follow the process, wrapping these panels, getting some more in.